Guest service basics for food servers. Warm greeting. Welcome every guest with a smile, friendly tone, and eye contact. A positive first impression sets the tone for the entire dining experience. Attentiveness. Stay alert to guests' needs, refilling water, checking in at the right time, and noticing body language without being intrusive. Active listening. Listen carefully when guests speak. Repeat or confirm orders to avoid mistakes and show professionalism. Product knowledge. Know the menu inside out, ingredients, portion sizes, spice levels, recommendations, and allergens. Confidence builds trust. Clear communication. Speak politely, professionally, and clearly. Use respectful language such as, certainly, right away, or, I'll be happy to assist. Handling problems gracefully. If anything goes wrong, apologize calmly, fix the issue quickly, and inform a supervisor when needed. Stay composed. Positive attitude. Stay calm under pressure, be patient, and maintain a friendly demeanor even during busy hours. Timely service. Serve food and check on guests at the right moments, neither too often nor too late. Timing is key to satisfaction. Personal grooming. Clean uniform, neat appearance, and proper hygiene show professionalism and build guest confidence. Thanking and farewell. Always thank guests genuinely and invite them to return. The last impression matters as much as the first.